Okay, so this time I'm going to be talking about a warning that is actually an indication of a kind of annoying problem that you should be aware of when dealing with zippers. So I'm going to load a specific file here, and when you load it, you get this duplicate index warning. And the main issue is that there are some timestamps which have been logged twice in this file, at least twice. Sipper is supposed to log data every 10 seconds, so that shouldn't happen. So what's going on here? In this case, this is a bug that happens due to Excel. So I'm going to right-click this file and do open externally. And you'll see here that you'll see 6 entries for each minute, which is good, but when you click on them, if you look at this area here, you'll see that the seconds are 0 for all of them. So what happened here is that this file was opened in Excel and then saved in CSV format again. And this is an annoying problem, which just is due to Excel. So, and you'll see there's this warning up here about possible data loss, and this is an occurrence of that. So what this warning is encouraging you to do, let me just load the file again, is to try and find the raw unedited data. If you have some data that you didn't save anywhere, didn't touch, that is great. You should just use that. There is a function in SipperViz for dealing with this as well. That's called remove duplicate dates. What that's going to do is just whenever there are duplicate dates, just select the most recent one and get rid of the rest. So all these rows would get deleted. That seems like a lot, but in reality you'll see here that no pokes or drinks were logged during this time. So it ends up not being that big of a deal, and it's, I think, an okay way to deal with the missing data. Again, this is just a bug due to Excel. You might get it for other reasons if there was an error in how the Sipper logged the data, but that is less likely. The big thing to be aware of is that if you are editing data in Sipper data or any other kind of time-stamped data in Excel that's in CSV format, if you save it in CSV format, you'll be losing data. The easiest or best fix, I think, is just to switch to Excel format when you save. But there's a post about this here on Stack Overflow, which you can visit if you want to get more information about it. Okay, so there's one other option related here. I'm just going to turn off this warning for the duration of these tutorials. So if you go to General Settings and then unclick this box, that's just going to prevent this warning from occurring in the future. And here you'll see that if you look into the details, you can see which files do have this duplicate index. This can be a problem for some things in SipperViz where it's trying to find certain dates, because if it finds 2 copies of the same one, it won't know exactly which data to find. But I think for the purpose of this tutorial, we can get by without worrying about that. But you should just be aware of this if you're working with Sipper data in the future.